How to install Webull application. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Webull application on your mobile phone. So let's jump to the process. First, open your App Store if you are using iOS. If you are using Android, open your Google Play Store. Here I am going on with my Google Play Store. Now here, tap on the search icon present at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the search bar present at the top. Now type in Webull. Then tap on the search icon present at the keyboard. Now here you can see Webull stock codes and news option. Tap on it. Then you'll be able to find install option. Tap on install. After you tap on install, you need to wait for a few seconds till your application gets installed. Once it's done, you'll be able to find open option. You can now tap on open option to open your Webull application. With this, you'll be able to install Webull application. Here on my home screen, you can see that my Webull application has been installed. And this is how you simply install Webull application on your mobile phone. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.